Hello artist. I'm going to go over the second part of making a donut sculpture. This part is the paper mache part. So what you're going to need is 1 to 2 pieces of just regular copy paper. You're going to also need glue that is, there's different combinations. It's either going to be paper mache mix, which is very slimy, but it's made for this, or it'll be water with some glue, or it might be a combination. Mine's a combination, so it's got some paper mache paste, which looks like water to you probably because it's white, and it has some other glue in it as well. So what you're going to do is, with your copy paper, you're going to rip a chunk. If you rip a long ways, you get longer strips. It doesn't really matter so much for this project. And what I'm going to do on my first strip, before my hands get gluey, because you're definitely going to get messy, I'm going to write my name. Miss Land will work. I'm going to push my sleeves up and I'm going to save that. That's going to be the last thing I paper mache on my artwork. Okay, to do this, you'll also need a towel on your table. You're going to dip your strip of paper, it doesn't have to be that big, dip it in the glue. Now it's going to be too gluey, so you're going to need to use your fingers like scissors, beep, 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 go on top of it, boop, and then pull your paper through, and it gets off all the extra glue. And then what you're going to do is you're going to glue pieces of paper one at a time all the way around your artwork. If you use too big of strips, you often come out with a sloppy artwork. All right, I'm using my fingers like scissors. I'm really taking my time to pat down each piece to make it as smooth as possible. Don't rip a bunch of paper at this one time. Just rip a few chunks. I like to make one strip and then use that one strip. It helps me keep organized. Maybe I'll make this one longer so it can go around the bend easy. Dip it in. Use my fingers like scissors to get off all of the glue because it should not be drippy. And this requires a bit of patience. It's fun to do because your fingers get super messy, but it does take a bit of time. When you're done, your donut should be all white and you should still have the hole in the center. I'm just going to do a few more so you can see, get the hang of it, and then I'll let you make your own. Make sure to use the scissors. Oh, and I forgot, when you use the scissors, make sure you're doing it over the bowl. You're not just doing it on your table. Think, work smart, not hard. It's very satisfying getting rid of something. And if you think your donut's too skinny, like right here, it's kind of skinny. It's not really fluffy like a donut. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it and tape it on, and then I can keep on going. You can roll it once again if you want it to be thicker, and you could just glue it on to add oomph to your donut. All right, friends, I'm going to keep on working on mine. The last thing, like I said, I'm going to paper mache on is my name. And I'll have a special spot for you to put them when they're ready. All right, everybody, I can't wait to see what you make.